Whispers loud in the silence, so am I crowd. Every rep, every set I fight, turning strong, roll into straight tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Callous hands and a focused stare, steel and iron fill the air. The mirror shows who I can be, a warrior carving destiny. Every rep, every set I fight, turning strong, roll into straight tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Bruised but unbroken, I stand tall. Failure's a lesson I recall. I'm the storm, I'm the light, built from the shadows, built to ignite. Every rep, every set I fight, turning strong, roll into straight tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Every rep, every set I fight, turning strong, roll into straight tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Rise above the fire ablaze. Bruised but unbroken, I stand tall. Each failure's a lesson I recall. I'm the storm, I'm the light, built from the shadows, built to ignite. Unbroken, I stand tall. Each failure's a lesson I recall. I'm the storm, I'm the light, built from the shadows, built to ignite. Every rep, every set I fight, turning strong, roll into straight tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Wake up, lace up, hit the ground. Heavy weights, heartbeat pound. Sweat drips, whispers loud. In the silence, I wear my crown. Every rep, every set I fight, turning struggle into strength tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Calloused hands and a focused stare, steel and iron fill the air. The mirror shows who I can be, a warrior carving destiny. Every rep, every set I fight, turning struggle into strength tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Calloused hands and a focused stare, steel and iron fill the air. The mirror shows who I can be, a warrior carving destiny. Every rep, every set I fight, turning struggle into strength tonight. Push, pull, break through the haze, rise above the fire ablaze. Every rep, every set I fight,